Hi teachers, my name is Lise from Ellii, formerly known as ESL Library, and today I want to show you another one of our great digital task activities called True or False. I've selected the lesson on the Great Pyramids, which you can find in our section called Famous Places under Lessons. So let's go to our task player at the bottom to access the activities. Inside the lesson, you can see all the different activities on the left-hand side here in our task list. As I mentioned, we're focused on our true or false activity today, so let's jump right in by clicking Start. This activity is pretty straightforward. Immediately on the screen, you're going to see a statement, and your students need to decide whether that statement is true or false. All of the statements in the true or false section are going to be related to the reading that they did in the read and listen activity that came before. If you're interested to learn more about this activity, make sure to check out the link included in our description below. If your students did not complete the read and listen activity, or they simply forgot the answer, you have this View Reference button right here at the top, which you can click at any time. By clicking on this button, you'll be able to access the reading, which you can see right in front of you, and you can click on the audio at the top to listen as well.
The Great Pyramids.
You can close this at any time and return to the activity. It's important to mention here that once you select either true or false, you cannot change your answer. Here I can see that I got the answer correct because it lit up green with the check mark. This is a fun activity that you can do with your class, whether you're sharing your screen online or using a screen in the classroom. You can ask your students to vote on the answer and see if they're correct. Once you've made your selection and you're ready to move to the next question, go down to the bottom and click on the arrow. Once again, you simply read through the statement, view the reference if you'd like, and select the answer. Write again. In this instance, I got the answer wrong. And you'll know that because it shows up red with an X. Therefore, true was the correct answer. When you've finished all of the questions, it will take you to this screen. Now you'll be able to see how many you got correct. You can review your answers and see exactly which ones you got wrong, or you can simply go and try again. You also have the option of going up to your task list and choosing another activity. So that's it for the true or false activity. I hope you're already thinking of lots of fun ways that you can include this in your classroom. Thank you for watching and happy teaching.